Kota Kinabalu. We spent 6 days in Kota Kinabalu, and this is what we did. Hey guys, I'm here at the Signal Hill Observatory Tower observing the view behind me. This is day one for us at Kota Kinabalu. Now Kota Kinabalu is the capital city of Sabah, and Sabah is a Malaysian state in the island of Borneo. We are here for 6 days in total. This is one of the top spots to catch the perfect sunset in this area, and this is Tanjung, which is highly recommended by the locals here. So if you want a bit of luxury, this is where you need to be. One of the most expensive resorts in this area, and this place is called the Shangri-La Resort. Just behind me you can see how beautiful it is. So just before sunset we managed to get some drone shots just to show you how beautiful this place is. And now it's time to catch one of the most epic sunsets around here. It's got to be one of the best sunsets I have ever seen. So there you go guys, this is the reason why I came to visit this resort, to get a glimpse of this beautiful view behind me. I know it's dark and you can't see me, but I'm loving that view. So nice. Since Kota Kinabalu is a Muslim state of Malaysia, it has some wonderful mosques here. And this mosque that you see here is actually the second largest in the city, also known as the City Mosque of Kota Kinabalu. It's so beautiful, I just couldn't resist not taking a drone footage of it. On our third day, we went on a day trip to the Mount Kinabalu National Parks. That is awesome. I wish I could just climb on top of this one day. What do you think?
Yeah, I want to do that.
Very cloudy and hazy. Beautiful. So we're here at Mount Kinabalu. This is a day trip. We're not going to hike up there, but we are going to walk around the area. Sadly, I left my drone at home, but I've got better footage than this.
I left my rain jacket in Manchester. I brought mine.
This mountain is Borneo's highest peak and also the highest mountain in Malaysia. What do you think of this?
Amazing.
Ugly Sister Peak.
So if you've got any ugly sisters,
So if you have any ugly sisters,
yep,
that's the place to be, yeah?
that's the place.
We're going to start our trek from here, through the jungle. We're actually going to trek through the rainforest. We did a 3-hour trek through the rainforest where we got lost in beautiful wildlife and stunning waterfalls. You won't find a more chilled out person like this guy here. The main attraction of this trek is that you get to do a canopy walk where you walk between the tops of the trees and look down at the forest floor beneath you. This was actually quite scary. You're going to be famous.
Is she teasing him again?
Look at that. Look at that view behind me. You're in frame.
Drop it.
This trek was definitely worth it because we get to see the tallest tropical tree in the world, and this is right here in the Mount Kinabalu National Parks.
Oh my god, I think that's like a hot spot. Can you see your face?
It's lunchtime now and we're gonna go to this restaurant. Not fancy from the outside, but wait till you go in. So the good thing about this restaurant is we get to dine with a beautiful view behind us. Yes, this is what I'm talking about.
Welcome to the tropical island of Kota Kinabalu.
So this one please.
ringgit.
Okay, thank you. I love pineapples and these are the sweetest and fresh pineapples you will ever taste, straight from the hills. All around the coast of Kota Kinabalu and the Gaya Islands, you will see these floating villages that are occupied by immigrants there, and these people do not have citizenship of the country, so they have to live on the water. We really wanted to walk around and explore this area, but we were told by the locals that it wasn't safe for tourists here. So when in Kota Kinabalu, you've got to visit one of these dance shows, and these are the traditional or tribal dances of North Borneo. Finally, last but not the least, we went island hopping from one island to the other. There's about 3 or 4 islands here, collectively known as the Tunku Abdul Rahman Marine Parks, and we spent the whole day jumping from one island to the other. It was incredible, it was beautiful. I actually made a separate video about this, and I will put the link in the description below, so please do watch this and give it some loving.